today's video, I'm just going to recreate one of the setups that we identified in the trading room this morning, and it is in IYT, basically the ETF for the transportation index. So I'm going to start by running the symmetrical projections that I typically run. So I'm going to measure the prior high to low swings and project them from the most recent high. And you can see that this swing is very similar to this swing. Actually, we can measure it. So if we take this prior high to this low, that was $8.25. This high to this low, $8.29. So very similar there. Now, what else was there? If you ran the retracements of the most recent lows to highs, let's see, we're through that 618, but let's check this low to this high. You're actually right on top of a 786 retracement of the smaller swing. And then we have one more other swing that makes sense to run, and that is this low to this high, and we're going to extend it down using the Fibonacci extensions of 1272 and 1618. So you measure this low to this high, and then you can also see that the 1272 extension of that prior swing pretty much overlaps this other area where you have a 786 retracement and the 100% projection of this prior decline. So bottom line, this was the setup that we were looking at this morning. It came in with the support cluster 165.25 to 165.63. I'm pretty sure it has triggered a buy signal, at least on the lower time frame charts, and we know that if this low is more important, that the potential upside target is going to be the 1272 extension of the swing into the zone. And last but not least, when do we know that we're wrong? Well, we know that we're wrong if we break underneath this support. Okay, so the risk reward is pretty good, because if we do hold, potential upside target here is pretty healthy, and if we are wrong, the area that we're risking against, it's pretty close and it's reasonable. Anyway, have a great weekend, and I will see you guys next week.